What's up guys, Prayag here from The Ordinary Life, back to you with another video, and today we'll be unboxing the Amazon Echo Dot. Let's get started. So here you can see that there's a tab to open, so we'll not use cutter here. That's great actually. Let's get into the box. Okay, here is the Amazon symbol, and right on the top you see the Amazon Echo Dot. Okay, so it's actually bigger than I had expected, and we'll look at it later. Let's see what's in the box. So here is the guide. Here is the guide to your Echo Dot, and this will probably be the warranty information. And you also get a few examples of what you can try with Alexa: music and radio, news and information, calling and messages. You can also set alarms and timers. Here is actually the power brick, and I think it's pretty good quality. Let's get to the Echo Dot. Okay, this is the Echo Dot. Nicely unpacked. So this right here is the power in, and this is probably the audio out. You get 4 mics in this. I don't know if you can see. You get 4 mics in this, and that's actually a pretty good thing, so that you can use even when the music is playing. This button right here is for Alexa. These two are for volume, and this is to turn off the microphone. You don't get a mute switch on this, so that's one thing to note. You get it on the Google Home Mini. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video if you liked it, and also hit that notification bell to not miss another video. And as always, stay tuned for more.